Ever wished your games looked amazing and ran smoothly, even on a slightly older PC? Once the control panel is open, which should have the Nvidia logo on it, you'll want to navigate to the Manage 3D Settings tab on the left now under Global Settings, or depending on the settings, you may have to select the Program Settings tab and select or add the game you want to play. Scroll until you see Image Scaling. Once you see Image Scaling, you will need to enable it by selecting on. With Image Scaling turned on, you'll now see the Sharpening options. This is where you can adjust the sharpness of the upscaled image. A good starting point is often around 5060%. And you will also see the Overlay Indicator, which is a box you can enable to see how the game is playing. Now the important part, you also need to click Apply to save these settings. To see these benefits in action, launch a game that supports Nvidia's upscaling technologies like DLSS in the game's graphics settings. Look for options like DLSS, fidelity, super resolution, or image resolution. Enable the upscaling option and choose a quality setting that works best for your gameplay. The goal is to find a balance between performance gains and visual quality. You should now see the resolution higher than it would normally be. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.